Hi you guys, this has been one of the hardest videos for me to be able to sit down and actually record, but the universe lit a flame under my behind because this morning at about 3 a.m. we had a false alarm.
I gotta get the label.
It might be that time, y'all. It might be.
We're gonna get this. We're gonna cut it and paste. Come on, man. Let's get it.
So this entire time, I've had a hospital bag packed, but unknowingly to me, I never put any of the baby's things in there, just mine. So you guys, it could have been a fly on the wall this morning to see us running around this house like chickens with our head cut off. He was trying to get the car seat in the car. Well, detach it from the stroller and put it in the car because prior to yesterday we hadn't done it. I am 9 months officially tomorrow. It is May 26th and I am due May 27th. I was scheduled to be induced this coming Tuesday because my doctor, every one of my last weekly checks this month, I hadn't been dilating, so my doctor was like, we may have to induce, let's just set an appointment, but he's a busy baby, so he may come out. So this morning at 3 a.m. we rushed ourselves to the hospital once we finally made it out the house with everything we had. Maybe not necessarily everything we needed, but everything we had, and it was a false alarm. So when we got home, I said, I absolutely must record this video because he's gonna come between now and Tuesday. So let's just get this thing started. This is my baby bag. It is a Steve Madden, almost like duffel. It's very cute, very big. I wanted something that was kind of unisex that we both would be able to carry, but in actuality, it's a lot bigger than we need for one baby. So this will be his travel bag because I'm originally from Michigan, Detroit, and my fiance is originally from Jersey. So the baby will travel up north in the summers once he's old enough. And this will be his travel bag. Or when he's, away for some time without us, this will be his baby bag. But for everyday carrying needs, we would probably get a smaller baby bag, more like a backpack, something him and I can both wear with comfort. So this is our bag. It's so cute. It has this little pouch on there. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, maybe my nipple pads, but has 2 pockets here and here, these side pockets here, and then the strap. Also came with this little tote. These little trinkets are so cute. One is a diaper pin and the other just says Steve Madden. And it also came with the changing pad. So that's cool to have in there. So first things first, I am big on being comfortable. So I found these cute, I don't know if you guys can see them, these cute house shoes that say Mama Bear at Burlington Coat Factory. Look who stole my seat. This is Sophia, for those who haven't seen it in my other videos. This is my first baby, my fur baby. But these are the memory foam ones, and they're really comfortable. We didn't take a hospital tour, but my experience last night allowed me to get the layout of the land, and they will come in handy because those hospital rooms are cold. Although we're in Alabama and we wake up to damn near 85-degree weather. But I thought these were so cute. They say Mama Bear. They also came with a matching eye mask, which I'm definitely gonna need because Mama needs her sleep. I think that was $12.99 at Burlington Coat Factory. Also, just for cleanliness sake, I got these flip-flops for shower shoes. Typically, hospital stays range from 2 to 4 days. So I figured if I'm in there for longer than 2, which is what I'm packing for, I'll already have these handy for if I need to when I need to take a shower. Also, because hospitals are cold, I have 2 sets of fuzzy socks. These are Marilyn Monroe collection, and there's 3 pair in here, but I'm actually just going to take one, this all black pair. And I got these spa socks. They're actually infused with aloe. Is it aloe or... oh no, they're infused with shea butter. So these are spa socks. I got them for $5 at my local Burke's outlet, and they're so comfortable, so fuzzy, and they have the little rubber grips on them, so I won't need to wear them when I can't access my house shoes. Won't need to wear house shoes once I get out of the bed with these, but these don't have the grips, so I would need to have something on my feet to keep me from sliding. Also, I have nursing bras. Next item I have is this nursing nightgown. I actually got this from Walmart. It's just a plain nursing nightgown, and it also has the clips where you just detach it and access the boob for the baby, because I do plan on breastfeeding. And this was $17.99 at Walmart. So it's just a plain black nursing gown. That's for post-delivery when I need to breastfeed. For pre-delivery, and I thought this was so cute, I got this Moo kind of t-shirt nightgown. It's kind of long, and I got these in extra larges because this baby has made me gain at least like 40 pounds. The first 2 trimesters I was really sick, and my doctor was watching me kind of heavily because I couldn't keep down solid foods, so mostly all I drank was soup broth and Pedialyte for the first 2 trimesters. But this 3rd trimester proved to be the most healthiest because I am huge. I'm huge, but I'm at the end and my gym membership is popping, so but it says mama needs a vacation. Now, as far as toiletries, don't judge me, I repurpose. I have this bag that I think a set of sheets came in. And in here I just have all of my products: lotion, body wash, facial scrubber, face cleaner, this sponge, I don't know what they call them, that thing, some toothpaste, my mouthwash, just like whatever I need as far as toiletries are concerned. So that's my toiletries. And I have 2 options as far as what I want to come home in. These are some of the most comfortable pants that I own. I wore these actually on my 28th birthday this year, and they are bell-bottom material. They're bell-bottom, wide-legged, but they are super stretchy and really cute. And I've paired that with this floral off-the-shoulder shirt that I wore for Mother's Day. I didn't go buy a lot of maternity clothes because this is my first and potentially last baby, so I knew these clothes wouldn't get much wear, but this is the off-the-shoulder maternity shirt I wore for Mother's Day this year. So I paired these 2 together because it's the most comfortable next to the second option I have for what to wear home. My second option is just a cute little maternity tank in this blush pink, because rose gold and blush pink are my favorite 2 colors. And I have that, and these leggings, maternity leggings with this cute little pattern. It has the blush pink, white, some purple, and green leaves, and they are just a simple pair of maternity leggings with a nice stretch, because I know postpartum will still have a belly and need room for that belly. This is one of my favorite maternity shirts as well, because it says preggers, and obviously I am super preggers. But let's move on to baby. His stuff fits in here as well. So I'm actually going to be taking, although I've heard that they give you some in the hospital, some of these Medela disposable nursing pads. There are 4 in each package. I'm just gonna take 2, but I have a shitload, excuse my language, I have a boatload of them in here in the nursery. So 2 should be enough. I'm also going to take my own diapers. Now I know that they supply us with diapers, but I have really sensitive skin and I didn't want to take any chances with my baby and his skin, so I didn't want to use any of like the major brands. So mine's are Baby Genix. You can see that, and I have about 4 packs of these that come with 32 in them. We're not sure how tiny he'll be, so I definitely have a stock of size 1s as well. Actually, all the way up through size 3 we have stockpile diapers. So I just grabbed a handful out of this package and put them in his bag. These are all socks and little hats for his head. This one goes with an outfit. And we have plain white socks, little black socks. All of them correspond with the outfit, and little hand booties for when he comes out he can't scratch his face. And I thought these were just the cutest little booties. Not booties, the little hand mittens. They have puppies on them. Now the first gown, well, the first item I'm going to show you is actually what I want him to wear as soon as he comes out. This is not what we're going to put him in to go home, but it's actually just this cute little onesie. It is long sleeve because, like I said, the hospital is cold, but it's open-ended at the bottom, so it's really a gown, but it has this string where you can pull it closed. So I decided to take 2 of these. They're very fluffy and comfortable. One of them has blue bears, and the other has brown bears. And like I said, it could be used as birthing cloths or receiving blankets to wrap him up in. But it's hot down here, so probably won't need to wrap him up tightly at all. I did grab some newborn and some 0 to 3 months outfits. So this is the first option. I love the most because he's my first baby. It says mommy's first mate, and it's a little onesie that just snaps between the legs, short sleeved, and is made like shorts, so it's breathable. And this is actually Newborn by Carter's. The second option is a pair of shorts. Also, these are 0 to 3 month by Old Navy, and I paired them with this cute little gray and blue whale shirt. There's a little whales on it, and this is 3 months. So that's option number 2. Option number 3 would be this cute little set, but these are pants. So, and I told you they went with that matching hat, and it's a whale, or a shark, I'm sorry, it's a shark, but I thought this was so cute for pictures because it's all matchy with the hat and booties and stuff. So this is Newborn by Gerber. Baby Nehemiah is due to touch down tomorrow and I just wanted to get this filmed. I'm sorry if it wasn't very inclusive and it was really quick, but stay tuned for his nursery tour. I know you can pretty much see behind me what the theme is, Dory and Nemo. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate the love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Because once again, thank you guys so much for the love and support. Follow me on my other social media platforms and check out our nursery tour video.